Present continuous tense. Okay, the formula in present continuous tense is for active voice, subject plus is am and are, is am or are, plus verb with ing plus object. Look at these examples. She is singing a song. They are eating mangoes. You are disturbing me. While in passive voice, auxiliary verb used in passive voice is am, are plus be. Object plus is am are plus being plus verb third form plus by and the add or it is followed by subject. A song is being sung by her. Mangoes are being eaten by them. I am being disturbed by you. Present perfect tense. Okay. The formula that we applied in present for present perfect tense is for active voice we use subject plus has or have plus verb third form plus object. She has cooked the food and I have made some dishes. While for passive voice, object plus has or have plus being. These are the auxiliary verb, and then we have verb third form. It is followed by, and then at the end we have subject. The food has been cooked by her. Some dishes have been made by me. I made some dishes. Some dishes have been made by me. Okay, past simple tense. Basic rule for active voice is subject plus verb second form, and interesting fact that verb second form is only used in past simple tense. Okay. Plus object. He bought a house. Did he buy a car? We don't use verb second form when we change or we write a sentence into an interrogative form. We don't use the second form of a verb. That's why I have written did he buy a car. Okay, I cannot say did he bought a car. Zara helped them. Okay. While writing in the passive form, object plus was or were plus verb third form, it is followed by plus subject. A house was bought by him. Was a car now interesting thing. Did he buy a car? And the same thing you want to write into a passive voice would be was a car bought by him. I'm not using did over here, rather was come at the start of the sentence. Zara helped them. They were helped by Zara. Continuous, past continuous tense. Subject plus was, verb plus verb, ing plus object. She was washing a scarf, or she was washing clothes. She was washing the scarf and they were singing song. Look at here into passive voice. The rule what rules do we have? Auxiliary verb used in passive voice is am, are plus being. Object plus was, were plus being plus verb third form. It is followed by, and then we have a subject. A scarf was being washed by her. Songs were being sung by them. Past perfect tense. Okay, the rules, basic rules for active voice, subject plus had plus third form of a verb and object. She had cooked the food. I have made some dishes. For passive voice, what is the rule? Do we have object plus had been plus verb third form plus by and then subject. The food had been cooked by her. Some dishes had been made by me. Future simple tense. Okay, mostly people they are not clear, or they have difficulty to understand future tense when it's about passive voice. So I hope this video will help you to understand or to clear your concept regarding future tense as well. Okay, for active voice, what is the basic rule? We use subject plus will or shall, and then we have verb first form, and in the last we add our object. Look at this example. He will write a poem, and he will write a poem. You will receive the money. Now let's do it in the passive voice, the same sentences, and for that, what rules do we follow? Object plus will be or shall be, and we have third form of a verb by and subject. A poem will be written by him. The money will be received by you. Okay, interesting fact about future continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense is that we don't change them into passive voice. Okay, but we can change future tense with going to. Okay, the tenses that are having going to. Subject plus is am and are plus going to plus verb plus object. Okay, for active voice and for passive voice we use is am and are, subject with there is an object. Mistakenly I have written subject over here. We have sub object plus is am and are plus going to plus be. We use third form of a verb by, and then at the end there is a subject. Future perfect tense. Subject plus, what is the rule we have for active voice? Subject plus will shall have. We add verb third form plus object. He will have received the book. Zara will have written the homework. For passive voice, the rule is subject plus will have been plus verb third form, then why, then object. The book will have been received by him. The homework will have been written by Zara. I hope you understand the concept and rules. It would be helpful for you people to understand the concept and the rules related to active and passive voice. If you like my video, please don't forget to click the button of like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.